literally extending his neck right now. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at this big old huge feet going up and down terrain. They can actually feel, got a cucumber thrown at me, here you go. They can actually, with those big old huge feet, they can feel the terrain underneath them to be able to understand what's going on. Do you want some cucumber? Nope, he is in the scratching zone. 100%. Oh, buddy. Oh my gosh, so cool. Oh, you like the pats underneath? Give him scratches all over. So Adolf is a Galapagos tortoise. He is actually about 106 years old, I believe.